Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I will show you how to install and run Calcpad on Linux operation system. Calcpad is a mathematical software for mathematical engineer calculations. So you can use it online, you can use it on desktop, you can use it even on web and cloud side. I prefer to use Calcpad as a programming language. Calcpad has a large set of functions and resources. Let's go. I am using Debian GNU Linux 12, nickname Bookworm. And the first step is to install .NET 8 long-term support on your operation system. In my case, Debian. Copy the first bash script to set up the Microsoft repository on your system, and after that .NET 8, pay attention, copy the second bash script and paste into your terminal to update your system and install .NET Runtime. Wait just a second. So the second step, go to the Calcpad web page and click on GitHub to go to Calcpad GitHub repository. Click on setup folder and over Linux folder. In my case, I will select deb package. If the download fails, click on raw and accept download. Wait a few seconds. And now we can go to download folder. Let me see. Calcpad is here. And to set up Calcpad, just type the command sudo apt install -y /calcpad package. Press enter and here you are. So to run Calcpad, just type the command calcpad and voila. 2 + 2, enter, we have 4. Square root ANS, we have 2. ANS is the last answer. At the first time we can use Calcpad as a simple calculator. A equals 4, B equals 6, and A plus B 10, A times B, we have 24. To go out, just type the command exit. Okay, in further videos I will show you how I use Calcpad in my calculations on Linux operation system. So thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.